Greetings and good wishes from Presidency School. Dear students, I'm sure you have heard these instructions many times, but I would like to give them to you once more, upfront and personal. We need to be very careful as we move through this pandemic, and we need to follow all the instructions very carefully if we are to be safe and to be healthy and strong. We need to take care of our personal hygiene. We need to wash our hands regularly and thoroughly. We need to wear a face mask whenever we go out. We need to maintain social distance from all people, and we need to be particularly careful about keeping distance from those who show symptoms of cold and cough. We should also remember to eat nutritious food and take proper rest. Now I would like to tell you about our academic program. As you are aware, the teachers have worked hard to present lessons to you and also to give you assignments. You need to do these assignments sincerely and attend all your classes. Please do not worry about the assessments. When you do join school, only those lessons that are in the syllabus will be tested after they have been revised thoroughly. Now to you, dear parents. Parents, please ensure that your children attend all the lessons and do the assignments. If they have any queries, they can contact the school. As you are aware, we have started with the first couple of chapters from each subject, and depending upon the ICSE Council's decision, we will only test those chapters that are included in the syllabus for the year. The assessments will be conducted for only those chapters and after they have been thoroughly revised when the students return to school. We shall keep you updated with all the changes that are there in the syllabus, as well as when the school will reopen as soon as we get information from our state government. In the meantime, we assure you of our best services and always keeping our students uppermost in our mind. We have several further ideas to implement for their learning process. They are in the pipeline and we shall intimate you from time to time. Once again, I request you to cooperate with us, and I assure you of our best services at all times. Thank you.